Okay guys, mga kabaliwan, in case you are wondering who will make the soft part of the Mandalorian costume. Of course, I'm going to introduce to you, yan si Jom. Jom Almozara. He is a fashion designer and a teacher at the same time. Yan, hobby lang niya yung ganito hanggang naging business na. At the same time, teacher po yan. Yan. So ito po yung soft part ng ating Mandalorian costume. Pag meron tayong pinapagawang mga part ng costume na may soft part, kagaya ng mga capes, yan, robes and etc. Yan, si John po yung gumagawa. Ayan po yung mga trabaho niya. Yan. Oh. Okay, so we have a problem here. So Jom actually did great in making the soft part of the Mandalorian costume, except for the gloves. So this one here, they look like fingernails. It should be half glove, and then the main fingers are different color. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut all the fingers, and at least I can modify this glove, maybe not exactly like the Mandalorian gloves, but almost look the same. So next, I just got this cheap white gloves. Yeah, I know the Mandalorian gloves, the fingers are not white, but I'm going to color it later on. So it's gonna be like this. Now it's time to color the glove. Okay guys, we have here the finished Mandalorian gloves and Mandalorian hand plates. It is very easy to do and I know you can do it also. I hope you enjoy this video, so please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.